Hey there friends, welcome back to the channel Creating with Sarah. So today's video I have a fun little surprise box to open with you from the Erin Condren Spring Warehouse sale. So if you guys want to see what's inside, then keep on watching. So welcome back friends, I'm Sarah, all things creating, planning, yet keeping things fun and functional here on my channel. I love everything that has to do with planner stuff. So I hope at the end of this video you will consider subscribing and hanging out with me and nerding out on planner things. So again, today I have a box that I really wanted to snag at the Erin Condren store in my area here in Orange County, California. And I went there because I had to drop off my laptop. It was busted and I did a little shopping. That's what you guys saw in my big spring unboxing. And they had all these boxes there in store. When I picked up my laptop, they were only down to a few. I was like, oh my gosh. So I was gonna walk in there and come out with maybe 2 of these things. But I just got the layers ones. That was the only one left actually. And then 1 teacher box. And the teacher boxes was like double. It was like a little bit bigger than this one. But I wish I would have taken some footage, but I was just trying to get there and get out. So I'm really happy that they had the layers bundle box. So we're just gonna see what's inside. I'm really curious. Yeah, but they were sold out of they only had 1 teacher, so the rest of them were sold out. They had no Hello Kitty, and then the writing, there was a box for just writing tools. So let's just go ahead and open this one up. I did pick up something else too because they were sold out online from the warehouse sale. So I just decided to snag it in store. Okay, I thought I opened it all the way. And I thought this one would be fun because I don't have too many things from this collection, so we shall see. And this one was $20, and they said the value would have been at $56. So I paid $20 for this one. All right, let's see what's inside. So we have some mini snap-in bookmarks, super cute. I love all the colors. It's definitely very springy and use this into summer. And so far I have the Hello Kitty sets, the Etabee sets, and now I have the fun layers. And they're really cool. They definitely give me Cali vibes too. They remind me of the ocean and the waves, but I just love the color palette in each of those. So very cool. I got some bookmarks. I don't know the retail price of these, so I'm not sure if this is, the value that it says on the box, which is $56. Okay, so this is a snap-in dashboard. I have one of these. I don't typically buy these. I have the original in my life planner that I got back in 2015 or 2014. And I just don't use these in general. Even with Happy Planner, I'm not a dashboard laminated person. I'd rather just have paper. But these are cool for Post-its, or sticky notes. So these are handy for that because it does have that laminated surface and cover. You can put a Post-it on here as a reminder, or maybe you're back planning, or maybe you need to reschedule an appointment. That's what I would use these for. And this one actually has on the back the days of the week, so you could totally I just don't like the hassle of a dry erase. I know that seems silly, but I would rather use a sticky note or Post-its on something like this. You could also maybe use some photos to put on here, but because it's that laminated, I would use it in that function. So I do have a snap-in dashboard. I don't know what the price point of this. If I find it, I can probably put it in the video maybe, if I have time. Okay, I got a sticker book. Yay, cool. I assumed though, when I was getting these surprise boxes or when I was thinking of them, I was trying to pick one that I didn't have most of. And I already can tell that this one has the washi tape that I just got. But it's okay. This is actually the one I liked better than the other washi. If you guys saw that haul, you'll know what I'm talking about. Because this one's a little bit more like washi-like. But got a sticker book, layer sticker book, which is nice because I don't have too many Erin Condren sticker books. It's a very pretty cover. Okay, so we have paper, some hearts, flags, some good quotes, which is nice because I'm trying to use a monthly planner for my wellness, and I'm using part of the like dashboard page to customize an area for like inspiration and quote stickers, so that's handy. And then we have all the flags with the layers design. This is in rose gold. We have some colorful asterisks, and these are these individually cut, or are they like, let's see, I can't really, okay, yeah, these are all individually cut out, so they're not like a circle sticker with the asterisk on it. So we have a lot of functional stickers in the layers design. Cute. I love me some functional stickers, and I love it that it's in this handy book, so I can use this on the go. So I'm just gonna flip through this. We have some gold foiling headers. I am someone who loves stickers just in black font. I'm not someone who always loves different types of foiling. I don't mind it too much on stickers, especially on a colorful background, but when it comes to like clear stickers like this, I'd rather just have like black and not the foiling. Does that make sense? Some of the flags in that different colorway, but with silver. The first ones were in rose gold, and then some more boxes and hearts. Definitely a lot of foiling. I do prefer, you know, less than more. So that is awesome. I got a sticker book. Ooh, I got a sticky note. Little snap-in sticky note dashboard. I don't own one of these. This is nice. Very pretty. Okay, so it goes in kind of, so it doesn't fill in the whole page. It's more of like half page for the Erin Condren snap-in. It's illustrated on the back here, so it's not like, I'm used to like a happy planner where it's like the full page and then it's punched on this left side. This is more, I guess, horizontally, and it's a half page bookmarker. I do like that it has the tab here, so it's a little different. It's very sturdy, so we shall see how this works. I love customizing my own. If you take like good sturdy, I reuse Happy Planner packaging for their covers, and I adhere a bunch of different sticky notes that I have in my stash. It's super easy to do. You could probably use any material. This kind of reminds me of a table mat or something, like a placemat you could probably use, but super cute. I'm glad I have this. All right, so we know we have the washi, so maybe I'll use this and put it in my D-stash or save it for a little giveaway. But we have 2 washi here. I would say this would be the amount that you paid for, or the value. So lastly, I have a little bag here. Let me take everything aside. Okay, lastly, I have this cute little clutch. It's got like a wristlet, and it's a clear pouch. It says Erin Condren. It's embossed right there. It's a really pretty color. I would definitely use this on the go to the pool. This is perfect. It's a little dusty, so I'm gonna have to clean that out. But this is perfect to put my pool keys in here, things that I don't want to get wet or anything. So this is awesome. I'm pretty happy with purchasing this. Again, it only cost me $20, and I got a nice hand size, you know, clutch here. Some sticky notes, a full-size sticker book, some washi, the snap-in dashboard, and then the mini snap-in bookmarks. So I would say that was pretty worth it. Again, I was so anxious to get one of these, and I just wanted to open it and see what was inside. And I definitely wanted to put it here on YouTube in case anybody was interested, if they're still available. If they do something like this in the future, which I hope they will, maybe in the fall, I think that would be pretty fun. And the other things that I picked up, and I said that I wasn't going to do this, but because I just wanted to make sure that I had an extra backup, and these are so inexpensive, I picked up the on-the-go folio insert, just in case. I wanted to have a backup just in case, so I was like, why not? And pick up the pockets. I just want to see how it works for like a month without having the pockets in, because if you guys have seen my petite plans with me's or setups, sometimes the folders flip back, or the stickers will fall out, so I'm still figuring that out. So I just decided to pick up a folio. And then lastly, what I wanted from the warehouse sale was another acrylic petite holder. These are completely sold out online, and I knew that my store had them when I saw them last. So now I have 3, and I'm gonna have to like reorganize my space, because I picked up another one because I thought I could shuffle them around, because I'm building a collection, and now that I have some sticker books, I kind of want to have one for stickers, and then one for my journals, and one for petite planners, and that's kind of what I have going on as far as a collection. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little haul, and unboxing the surprise box and seeing what it was all about. I definitely wanted to share the Hello Kitty one, but again, they were sold out, and I think I'm done. I'm not gonna buy anything else. I am going to settle in everything that I have recently purchased, and then the next videos you guys will see from me is a spring planner lineup, and then the setup videos after that. And I still have my memory keeping video coming up to plan from Go Wild, so that will be up soon. But I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you on my next video. Take care, stay safe, and happy planning. Bye.